everyone, welcome to today's video where we are going to dive into the world of potato wedges. Whether you are a fan of these crispy delights or you have never tried them before, this video is for you. So let's get cooking. Take washed and peeled potatoes. Cut it into wedges. Make sure to use large size potatoes. All the potatoes are cut nicely and ready to boil. In a boiling water, add potatoes. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Take it out in the strainer and dry off the water completely. Add cooking oil. Add corn flour, white pepper powder, some red chili powder, some dried herbs, salt as per taste. Mix and coat it well. Rest for 10 to 12 minutes. Deep fry the potatoes in piping hot oil. Fry it till light golden brown and crisp. Take it out in a strainer. Potatoes are nicely crisp and light brown in color. Plate it. Sprinkle some red chili powder. Salt. Some dried herbs and enjoy this Burger King famous potato wedges at home with few simple ingredients. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.